What is going on, YouTube? What is going on, family? Listen, family, the channel is growing. We got some new subscribers in the house. Big shout outs to you all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And also, family, we have a new feature called channel memberships. We have some members or subscribers who's decided to support the channel, family. Now, what these supporters do, family, is they help financially with the channel staying afloat. That's all it's all about. But as we scale up, it's going to get better and better. So big shout outs to JP at Blueprint for Prosperity and PNR Connected. Now, listen, family, I got a good one for you. Also, this is a sponsored video. Smart Credit is sponsoring this video. They want to help you with $1 million worth of identity theft insurance. Right now, the scammers are scamming. Also, if you have any disputes on your credit file, you can do that as well in the Smart Credit app. Also, if you have high payments on your credit cards, Smart Credit has a feature that you can see if you pay down X amount of dollars, your credit score go up. So link's gonna be in the description of the video. Also, family, we have merch. Yes. If you want to support the channel, family, and you want merch like this, t-shirts, hoodies, we got you. We even got water bottles, family. So listen, consider supporting the channel. So the question today is this: would you like to get a $30,000 reward or go to jail? Think about that. Let's get into the video. Now, family, listen. I don't know if you see it on the screen. This young lady is a councilwoman. The U.S. Marshals are at her home. They are looking for an individual that committed 2 murders that is already convicted on federal charges. Now, federal is the highest charges you can get in these United States, not state. He got federal charges, right? This guy was mistakenly released. So the feds want him back, and they willing to give up a $30,000 purse. Check it out.
I just blocked that door. Who's on that side of the house? Jace. Everybody come down here. Who's on that side of the house? Trent, we got people on the other side? Yeah. You able to watch that? Okay. Hey, how are you? What's right here?
Now, this young lady here is the councilwoman. Okay, just want to let you know.
Haven't heard, so he's not your dad.
No, my dad lives in Butler, Georgia.
Alright, so he's supposed to be in prison for murdering 2 people. He's supposed to be serving a life sentence in prison. He
Now, did you hear that, family? This guy they're looking for murdered 2 people. He's supposed to be serving a life sentence, but somehow he had other charges on the state side, local charges. So they brought him down from the federal to the state. And some kind of way, when he went to court in the state, they cut him free. And now the federal government is looking for him.
He was released on accident, okay, by a different facility that he was visiting at, and he's obviously supposed to be in prison. Yeah. So you said there's no one else inside?
No.
Not that I don't believe you. Yeah, not that I don't believe you. So there's no case to check. Nobody here, right? Okay. Okay. Any dogs or anything like that?
I don't have
thought
a
I
dog.
heard a dog.
I don't have a dog.
All right. So what did you say your other sister's name was?
Tanisha. That's not her daddy.
It's not.
No.
But she was with Joetta.
Yeah, they went to Macon.
They went to Macon. Okay. Do you know what they were doing in Macon?
No, I have other people that live in Macon.
What other family?
Angela.
But that would be not
My
his
mom.
family.
No, my mom's brother.
Your mom's brother. So I'll be honest, I don't have all of I have a lot of information, but as far as like who's related to who, I don't have that because I just found out about this today. Because they're working the case out of Miami, because that's where he was supposed to be in prison.
Right.
So they called me this morning and said we need you to come to this house because they thought he was here.
I can stay in my room over there.
Where is your car at?
My daughter's in it.
Your daughter's in? Okay, what's her name?
Tamari Saunders.
Kimari Saunders. All right, so how do you spell Tanisha's name?
T-A.
T-A-T-O.
N-I-S-A.
I-S-A. And her last name is Daniels? Tillman? Does she have a son?
My son, I have anything.
Okay. And then you said your daughter's name is
Smart.
Kimari. How do you spell that?
K-I.
K-I. So what? Oh, they're fine. What's Yeah, we're not trying to scare you. Sorry about that. Okay. Are you the only one that has access to this phone? So I know he called this number back in June.
That's why I didn't know.
Yeah. So, but other than it being, so that would be your half-sister's dad? Is that right? Okay. What, you don't have any kind of relationship with him?
I've been raised me when I was a kid.
Okay. So you haven't talked to him since he's been out?
I haven't talked to him since he got now. I've just talked to my mom.
What did she say anything about it?
My mom is in here.
Because obviously it's not. Yeah, he's not being charged with anything new, right? Like there's no new charges, and the way it works is it's called a technical escape. So he was released in error, is what it's called. So he was supposed to be serving a life sentence in the Bureau of Prisons on the Fed side. He got brought back for some state charges that were dismissed, and instead of returning him to the Bureau of Prisons, they released him to the street. No one's saying he escaped or anything like that. But we have an order signed by a judge, a warrant signed by a judge to pick him up and take him back to the Bureau of Prisons. Yeah. Where's your phone?
My daughter.
Still clearing, yeah, he's still clearing.
Because I can call my mom.
So, and I don't know how this all works, but they currently have a $30,000 reward to get him.
Now, listen, family. Notice the officer is now stating this $30,000 reward. I think if he'd have stated that in the beginning, we wouldn't be here. Okay?
I don't know. Show me your hand. Show me your fucking hand. Hand! Show me your hand. Both of them right now. Both of them. All the way the fuck out. Hey, put her in cuffs. Put your hands on your back. Don't do fucking. Come on out here. Where'd you shoot that?
Right there. Got it over there.
Okay, I'll get him for you in a second.
Okay.
They got somebody in there. Will you stand here where I can get her shoes? I'm gonna put her in my car. This is I told you he had the arrest warrant. You told me he's not in there. You hadn't seen him. You didn't come up here with your sister. So you sat here and lied to my face and my camera. Wow.
Now listen, family. This was a $30,000 mistake. Here's why. This gentleman was already convicted. He wasn't accused. Accused mean that you haven't went before a judge, you haven't had a jury trial, all of that good stuff. He's past that. He has a life sentence, family. I just want to throw that in there.
Still cleaning the house? Still holding. There's almost done, but they still ain't bothered.
Here's the guy, family. He has a life sentence that she was harboring in her home. She missed a $30,000 payoff. Yeah, $30,000. But check out what's going to happen next.
So, I'm going to try to get, with his, especially with him hiding like that, I don't want to put him in the back of my car and take him to make him. Is there somewhere we can hold him just temporarily until, I'll get somebody down here with a cage, we'll take him up to wherever we got to, and see if we can get him squared away. And then as far as her, very foolish. I think she should go to jail. I agree. I can't charge her, so I can go try to get a fed warrant for her, but it won't be today. Okay. So we got 72 hours. We can hold her today. Okay. If y'all will, I guess hold her, and it would be I would say hinder him. And then I'll get with the AUSA and see what they want to do. Just because I can do a complaint warrant, but it's not a quick process. Right. I don't have the ability to. I wish I did, where I could just see someone arrest them and take them to jail and see a judge. Right. It's a much. I basically have to get a judge's permission to make a PC arrest. Well, can a probate magistrate judge do that, or what do you mean? If y'all can sign it. Yeah, if y'all will charge her at the state level, I can come back and do the fed charge. Okay. Yeah, I'll charge her at the state level. Okay. The citizens are Yeah. Let me call Florida.
Now you see that, family? She's actually going to be charged on the state level for harboring a murderer. I mean, this is crazy. And she's a councilwoman. She's established. I mean, I don't know. You all post your comments down below.
Mr. Ruby. Hey, Miss Ruby.
Hey.
How are you? How you doing, ma'am, sir?
I'm all right.
So, your neighbor across the street was hiring a guy who escaped from custody for murder.
Are you serious?
I'm dead serious. This guy killed 2 people in the state of Florida. He tried to kill 3, but 1 survived. The other 2 died.
Okay, he got accidentally let out. She lied to us after we told her what he was wanted for. After we identified who we were, she said he was not inside. So we went inside to check because we had a warrant. We found him hiding in her closet. So that's your city councilwoman. That's what she does. She lied to the U.S. Marshals to hide out a guy who killed 2 innocent people. Tried to kill 3. That's why her ass is sitting over there right now in handcuffs. We locking her ass up too. Excuse me for cursing. That's the type of danger she put us in. This guy's going to prison for life. He's already been sentenced. So he could have been sitting there with a gun waiting to kill somebody else because he might have said, it ain't my fucking day to go back to jail. So that's what she's doing. Now she wants to sit over there playing innocent. It don't work that way.
I know something bad for them to have all these guns hanging around here. I keep my eyes dropped.
That's what's going on here. That's why she's sent out there in handcuffs. And that's why we brought as many people as we did.
Oh, okay.
Because he is a danger. If he's willing to kill 3 people,
Yes.
then a few more won't make that big of a difference.
Exactly.
So that's what's going on.
Oh,
We didn't know if someone that came over and told you, because if you was my grandmama, granddaddy, I want y'all to know what's going on.
Oh, okay,
So
because I try to watch out for her because I know she was a sickly person,
Well, she
But
ain't sickly.
But yeah, she
She ain't sickly.
But you know what I'm saying? She has a siege and stuff, so
Right.
I
Well,
want to
she
make
also-
sure she was okay.
She also had lying of the tongue disease.
Well,
too.
she got the line of the tongue. I know that line of the tongue disease. I know she has seizures, so
But that's what's going on your street.
Okay, I
Once we
appreciate
get everything clear, we're gonna be gone.
Okay.
Hopefully you never have to see us again unless it's away. How you doing and keep it moving.
I'm glad this over with then, because I didn't know this was going on this close to me.
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
All right, Miss Rubin.
All right, thank
Good
you.
to see you.
All right.
We'll talk over.
Other side.
So listen, family, what's your thoughts? Post your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this content. And until my next episode, you be blessed.